Guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta and we're looking at aluminum prices today because this is one metal which did not decline so much as the other metals were falling. And this is a metal that has started to pick up faster as well. So when you look at the trade today, we've seen markets actually extending their rebound from the kind of multi-month lows that we've seen for many metals there. So 0.5% of gain in the global markets and Indian markets are reacting to that too. 2 to 3 major points when you are watching aluminum as an underlying commodity. One is that LME stocks right now are trading at a 6-month lows. So LME inventories, if total of that is at 580,000 tons, almost 42% of that is marked for a delivery going out, which is almost around 240,000 tons there. So that leaves us with very less inventories in the LME warehouses. Also, when you look at the cash to 3 months right now, you have to pay $40 per ton more if you want aluminum in cash rather than 3 months ahead. So that tells you that immediate demand of aluminum really seems to be picking up. That is number one. Second is the escalation in the Russia-Ukraine tensions there. We all know that Russia is the second largest aluminum producer in the world, and we already have seen some steep tariffs already being introduced onto Russian aluminum. Any more sanctions, any more supply chain disruptions that comes in because of this tension, that could also add premium to the aluminum prices. The third thing is that aluminum, which is used in transportation, logistics, packaging and also construction, is looking at demand increasing, especially from China, and that has been supportive. So even as China's aluminum production between the month of Jan to April gained up by almost 4%, the markets do believe that the demand is also expected to pick up, and aluminum is one of those metals which the industry favors being on the longer side here, as and when the recovery, especially in China, also comes in. If you look at the prices, then that also seems to be oversold right now. So January, you saw aluminum prices at $2,660 a ton. It's trading at $2,200 a ton right now. So we have seen nearly 15% of a decline from the highs of this year itself coming for aluminum prices. And as I said, too many people are short, so there is some unwinding of positions that we are seeing that is supportive for aluminum prices. The Chinese trade data did not come out so well. We saw export numbers decline 7.5%. Import was down 4.5% on the weaker side as well. So barring this weak trade data, markets do believe that most of the other factors really seem to be working in favor of aluminum, and much of the negative news already has been factored in. Of course, the street will watch out for the June 14th US Fed meeting, and ahead of that, you will see more choppiness continue into this space. But shorts is something that most of the industry says is not to be created right now.